Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on OnePlus Nord CE free Lite. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's find Microsoft Edge. Now there's a introduction that you can read through if you like to learn some features of this browser, and you can also skip it. We can customize the homepage with wallpaper, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Click on the next. Here, sign in to turn on synchronization with other browser and other devices. I'm gonna go with not now. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and here accept or disagree with the data sharing. From here the browser is ready, we can open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.